Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you all are doing great. My name is Jyotisman Saikia. Welcome back to a new video. So many of you are asking me about how to prepare for foundation exams, from where you should take coachings, then can you clear your foundation exam without taking coaching, then how to make notes for subjects like business law, then how much time you should give to a particular subject. So today in this video we'll be talking all about these things. I'll be clearing all your doubts, then I'll be sharing a subject wise strategy with you guys. I assure you that till the end of this video you will get a clear mindset about how you should actually study for your foundation exams. Before getting into the video, if you are new to the channel, do hit the subscribe button and turn notification on, like the video and share the video with your friends. You can also follow me in Instagram. I post some interesting and informative content there too. So let's get started. You have 4 papers in CA Foundation. Paper 1, that is accounts. Paper 2, that is business law and BCR, business correspondence and reporting. Paper 3, that is maths, LR and statistics. Paper 4, that is economics and BCK, that is business commercial knowledge. So first of all, what you have to do is prioritize your subjects. So like for example, maths, accounts, business law, you have to give a lot more time to these subjects in compared to other subjects like economics, BCK and BCR. So sit down and make a routine. Write all the subjects and time, how much time you will be giving to that particular subject. So you have to make this timetable according to you, right? Because for example, someone is good in maths, so she will give less time to maths, and someone who is not good in maths will give more time to maths, right? So this is your first task, to make a timetable. If you want to have a idea or a blueprint, you can watch my previous video after this video. I'll put the link in the description. So now let's talk about whether you should take coaching or you should do self-study. My personal opinion here is that if you belong to commerce background, then don't take coaching. Don't waste your money, because you can easily do self-study, watch some lectures from YouTube and clear your foundation. But if you don't belong to commerce background, then you should seek for some coachings, because you have to make all the basics clear, and for that you have to take some coachings. Now I'll give you a subject wise strategy which you should keep in your mind if you are preparing for your CA foundation exams. Firstly, paper 1, that is accounts. If you are from commerce background, then accounts becomes easy for you all, because except 3 to 4 topics, all the other topics you have gone through in your 11th and 12th. So you can just easily do self-study or watch some lectures from YouTube, or you may follow Unacademy free lectures. But the ones who are not from commerce background, it becomes comparatively hard for you guys, because you have to make your accounting basics clear, and for that you have to take some coachings. Secondly, give 1.5 hour to accounts, and keep in mind that you have to clear all your questions that are in the module, because in accounts maximum questions come from the module itself. Next, paper 2, business law and BCR. BCR you can do it by yourself. It will hardly take 1 month to clear the whole syllabus of BCR. But business law, you have to give some time to this subject. I would say that study BCR not in terms of hours, study BCR in terms of topics. Pick these topics for a day and just clear the topics in that day itself. In this way it will help you to complete your syllabus in less time. And after completing one topic, do 5 to 6 questions relating to that topic. See, in business law, practicing as much as questions you can is very important. And remember one thing, if you don't remember the sections properly, don't write wrong section in the exam, because that will create a bad impression in the examiner's mind. So next, paper 3, that is maths, LR and statistics. So you have to give a lot of time to this subject, because the syllabus is so lengthy. So what you can do is, you can prioritize your chapters. You can complete those chapters first which carry the highest weightage. And do one thing, write all the formulas in a copy and revise it every morning. And yeah, you have to practice a lot. Next, paper 4, that is economics and BCK. These two subjects requires less time, and you can score the most mark in these subjects. Economics you can study in terms of diagram. Understand the diagram, practice the diagrams, and you will automatically understand the theories. and basically it will hardly take 15 to 20 days to complete the whole syllabus. So this was all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Do let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe, like and share the video with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.